I'm going to show you how to use Lenormand to predict how to get to a goal or how close you are to a goal. Okay, so here's what you do. First thing you want to do is you want to figure out whether, who you're reading for. Is it a man or a woman? Pick. Okay, you're going to make let's say I've got a woman. She wants to know where she is in relation to this goal that she has. And I'm going to assign the female card to her. And I'm going to assign the male card to the goal. So the male card will be the goal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through here. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but I'm just going to show you this for now. I can do other videos on that. So I'm going to find her in relation to I'm looking for the female card and the male card. Yeah, got the female. Here it is. Okay, so here she is. Here's the female. And then I'm going to go and there's the male. Okay, so now this is a good example of, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what's between the two. That's the course to the goal. Now in this case, I'm going to say that the female's here and the male's behind, so things are not likely to line up for her. See what I'm saying there? So it's like, well, I don't know, either you passed it or the timing's not right. Let me shuffle it and we'll change and we'll see if he ends up on the other side of her, and we'll show you another. So again, I got the female. I'm shuffling these cards. I'm going to see where she lines up in relation to the goal. Okay. Split them. Okay, and then I'm going to set them out here. I got the tower, the moon. There she is. All right, so now there, she's right on top of it. Okay, so the goal's right there. The goal's right there. So I'm going to look at what's around it, okay? The goal is here. You have to send a message in order to get it, or be prepared for the message to come in. And then on her side, I would say, because this is because the two are right on top of each other, okay? I would also, so I'm getting all these examples where there's nothing between them, or she's behind. But in this case, I'm going to say she needs to take herself out of seclusion and get out and make the message and get the message out, okay? All right? So she's right on top of the goal, but she needs to take some effort right now. So it's real close. So possibility is real close. Let's say I got her here, and I've got these cards in between. I got the cross. Okay, so I'm going to put her here. I got the cross, and then here we go. And then let's say I got him right here. I'm going to say what she needs to do is she needs to break her habitual pattern of being a perfectionist, breathe new life into this, and then she can achieve her goal. So that's how you do it. You assign one card. So now if it was a male, I'd make, or whoever, I want to assign that the male. She could be the goal. All right. Shuffle the cards, see where she is in relation to the goal. That's how you do the how to find a goal, or the steps to a goal, using Lenormand to get to the steps to the goal. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I got a little message for you also at the end here. I hope you enjoyed that. Try it. See what happens. If you guys are interested in more Lenormand lessons, I'm doing a series of mini lessons now, and I've got them in my shop, and it's a very small investment to help you sharpen your skills and to be able to set yourself up to do readings for other people. The one that I've got going this week is using Lenormand to get deep and really kick-ass love readings. It's called the Love Doctor, and you can get that one in my shop. I'll put the link below. Otherwise, take this lesson that I've given you today on how to get to a goal, how to predict a goal, use it, and let me know what happens.